Have you ever heard the saying, "Don't cry over spilled milk"? It means that you shouldn't get upset about something that has already happened and can't be changed. Just like if you accidentally knock over a glass of milk, there's no use in crying about it because the milk is already spilled. For example, if you forget your homework at home and you're already at school, there's no point in getting upset about it. You can't go back and get it, so you just have to move on and do better next time. This saying comes from the idea that crying over something that has already happened won't fix the problem. It's better to focus on finding a solution or learning from your mistake instead of dwelling on the past. So remember, don't cry over spilled milk.